we're going to tackle about the difference between OSI model and TCP IP model. Now, first, we have to go to OSI model. So, OSI model stands for Open System Interaction, whereas TCP stands for Transmission Protocol Internet Protocol, or IP. So, OSI model, as you can see in the picture that I presented, it has 7 layers, whereas TCP has only 4 layers of process. So OSI model is not protocol dependent. So it has to be, it has to be step-by-step process. It's like a data flow. It's like a it's called waterfall process. You need to first finish the first one before you can proceed to the next procedure. So while TCP or IP model protocol is dependent, as you can see in the right side, it contains 4 layers, right? And it is dependent. First is you have to link. So in link, you can so link is dependent on containing a data, passing a data. Internet is dependent on using connections to a verified, let's say verified connectivity of a what's it called, network, something, never mind. So that's it. TCP IP model is dependent and OSI model is non-dependent. So some layers of OSI model cannot be fully defined, whereas all layers of TCP can be fully defined. So yeah, you cannot just say the whole definitions of the process of OSI model, while the TCP you can on what layer is being processed. So first, the OSI model, it has a separate presentation layer. 7 nga, di ba? It has a 7 presentation layer. Also, it has a separate session layer, and also it is a horizon approach. So that's it for the OSI model. Now in the TCP, it has no presentation layer, which is difference from OSI, because OSI has a presentation layer, and plus the TCP IP has no session layer. It doesn't filter the difference from OSI, because OSI has a presentation layer, and plus the TCP IP has no session layer. It doesn't filter any sessions of the user, and it has also a vertical approach. It's not similar to OSI, because OSI model has a horizontal approach. So and the TCP IP also provides only connections, less services. So it only transmit a connection to a PC to one another. It only delivers a connection so that the two computers can communicate to each other. So that's it. That is the difference between OSI model and the TCP model.